Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tania. Hope you have liked all my previous videos, and today I am here again with a review of another skincare product which is from the brand Lotus. The product is actually this. This is actually Lotus Professional Dermo Spa Brazilian Age Defining Night Cream. It's actually a night cream with the goodness of anti-aging properties. So let's first come about its price, its packaging and the quantity of the product. I have purchased this particular one from the Nykaa online store, and this product is also available on Flipkart online store. So it has costed me around 895 and it contains 50 gram. It comes in this kind of brown colored box, and here is the container of the product. It's a little bit heavier glass container. So what are the goodness of its product and what are the key ingredients of its product? Let's discuss about this. So it's basically an anti-aging night cream which will help to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles of the skin. Actually, I don't use this product. This product is actually used by my mom, and she told me that she has got a very fabulous result by using this product. If someone is above the age of 30, then it's very much beneficial and it's very much important to use anti-aging skincare product. So it mainly contains the goodness of Amazon rainforest ingredients, and the best part is that this cream is for all skin types people. So people with so those who have the either normal skin or oily skin or any other kind of skin, they can use this product. But I must recommend that if someone is below the age of 30, don't use this one, use another any normal product. But those who are above the age of 30, they must use this anti-aging night cream, so that it will help to reduce the dark spots, the wrinkles, the fine lines of your skin, and it also helps to give a natural glow to your skin. As you can see that it's a Dermo Spa as it is written here, then it will give the very much beautiful and the spa kind of effect to your skin, like we do hair spa and other kind of spa, like but this is for the skin, so it gives the spa like effect to your skin. Now I am going to show the product. Just I am going to apply a little bit of product onto my hand, because as I have told you that this is not for me, this is actually for my mom, and she has been using this product for a long time and she has got a very much fabulous result. Her skin has become luminous, her skin has become glowing and brightening, and the fine lines and the other wrinkles and other the aging properties of the skin has become much more reduced after using this one. If you take the smell of this, it's a quite beautiful smell and it has a very calming smell. So it's a, as it is a night cream, and night cream is much more thicker than day cream. So I am going to apply this onto my hand. As you can see, it absorbs very well into the skin. It just absorbs quickly and well into the skin and will help to replenish your skin, helps to give a youthful look to your skin. So it's a very good product for those who wants to use any kind of anti-aging cream. So this cream is very much beneficial, and since it has the goodness of professional kind of things, so it is very much also useful for the anti-aging properties. So this is a very good cream for those who are looking for any kind of good anti-aging cream or anti-aging night cream. And I must say that night cream is very much useful, because whatever you apply onto your skin during the night time, it helps to work onto your skin all over the night and will help to give you a very useful and flawless look whenever you wake up in the next morning. So this is all about my today's video about the review of this Lotus Professional Dermo Spa Brazilian Age Defining Night Cream. Hope you like my videos very well. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my each new video whenever I put it in my channel. And also comment down in the comment section that what product or what anti-aging cream you like to use for yourself, and if you are using this one, then also let me know what are the benefits that you have got from this product. And the description and the link of this product is given in my description box. So friends, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, tata.